Okay guys, this is the screencast for Wednesday the 30th in English 9. Today is just taking the punctuation and style exam. If you scroll down to the punctuation and style unit, there's the punctuation and style exam. Here's the code to enter into goformative.com and take the exam. The best way to do this is you absolutely should be using the packet, referencing the various rules along the way. If you look at for each of the sentences, you're trying to find which of the 5 is the properly punctuated one. You can either look at the sentence and try to punctuate it yourself if you want, and then see which one matches what you think, or you can go piece by piece and say, like, well, there's an apostrophe in this part of the sentence in 2 of the 5, and I don't think that's right, so 2 of them go away, and use the process of elimination that way. It'll be probably out of 70 points. The extra credit from the previous 6 discussions about punctuation and style will be put in the book. I wish you luck. Happy day.